So hi friends, today we'll discuss about Visual Studio. So this is the one of the finest tool we used for Python development or C++ or development, .NET, whatever. So there are mainly the Microsoft has opened the editor called Visual Studio Code or Visual Studio Community. So basically Visual Studio Community used for the best comprehensive IDE for .NET and C++ development for in a Windows environment. In case of you wanted to use same Visual Studio Code for Python development or the Linux scripting, so you can use the Visual Studio Code. So I will give you the link so you can see this is the what we are talking about. So there is a Visual Studio Community and second one is a Visual Studio Code. So in case if you download this one, free download, so you can select whatever the operating system you have. So based on that you can just download it and you can start using this. So if you use, you can get the editor or something like that, and here you need to configure the first the trust file. The trust file, once the trust file is configured, you can install the debugger, additional debugger. So you have to go to the run and install the debugger. So you can find here the Python. Yeah, so just install it, whatever. You can see the install this Python. If you want to use the C++, you can install it. Jupyter or C++, PHP debug, Python debugger, lot of things are there. So whatever you want, you can just install it and start using it. So this is the Python external for Visual Studio Code, and there are many debugger are available which you can use for development. As soon as you will install, you can able to write a code here. You can see that I could write a code and I can execute the code here. So this is very simple tool, and this is one of the very good tool. We frequently use it for development, the Python code and or the Linux scripting. Yeah, thank you.